I welcome everyone. With you, Katarina Mukin. That's such an interesting shadow pattern with spokes. It's the front side. Suitable for knitting both female and male things. Caps, vests. See, very great will look this drawing. Edges. There are 2 schemes on my website. I completed this drawing from Merinos. So the first row will be on the front side. Knit 1 wear. Further facial for loops. Times to 3. 4. And another 1 wear. Repeat wear. That is, here to wear in a row for face. Wear this way. Until the last loop, repeat the edge with a wear loop. Turn knitting. So on the wrong side second row, remove loop 1 facial. For wear 2, 3, 4, and facial repeat facial for wear. For end front at the end of this circle, wear loop. It means the last ones here are these 2 rows. That is, actually, from the 3rd to the 6th row of loops knit just by drawing. Wear facial. Times to 3, 4. To let there be immediately wear for face. Where at the end of the edge, wear loop. Here I tied the 3rd row. Turn knitting. 4th row, remove the loop. Facial. For wear. To 3, 4. To facial. For wear. And facial. Edge wear loop. So 2 more rows left in the picture. Remove loop wear for faced. To wear. For faced. Where at the end of the edge, wear loop. And the 6th row from the wrong side, remove the loop. Front 4 wear. Times 2. 3, 4. To facial. For wear. And the front at the end of the crown, wear loop. That means I tied. So on 7th row, knits like this. Perform 1 wear loop. 10 facet timing times 2. 3, 4. 5, 6. 7, 8. 9, 10. And 1 wear loop. Last 12 loops we repeat. Where do we have here our 10 facial? See, here is 1 and here is the 2nd. And the edge at the end is also a wear loop. Turn knitting. 8th row, from the wrong side, remove the loop. Knit 1 face loop. To wear loops once and 2. The next 6 loops will be a handkerchief pattern. Perform once. 2, 3, 4. 5 and 6. Again to wear. And 1 front. Edge at the end of a wear loop. See, from 9th to 12th rows, we repeat the last 2 rows. That is, they are repeated also 3 times. It will wear. 10 facet timing times 2. 3, 4. 5, 6, 7. 8, 9. 10 and wear. Edge wear loop. Turn the 10th row. Remove loop 1 facial. To wear. Further 6 face. Times to 3. 4, 5, 6. To wear and face. Repeat to the last edge. Turn knitting like that. Another to row. We'll also wear. 10 facial times to 3, 4. 5, 6, 7. 8, 9. 10 and wear. Edge wear loop. Turn knitting. 12th row, first loop, remove 1 front. To wear. 6 facial times to 3. 4, 5, 6. To wear. And the front edge at the end of the wear loop. Here we turn the work like this. 13th row. And starting from the 14th row, already again as here rubber band from 4. And facial and to wear. It means the first loop is removed. Knit 1 wear. 10 facet timing times 2. 3, 4, 5. 6, 7. 8, 9. 10 1 wear. Repeat to the last edge with a wear loop. Turn knitting. First loop, shoot 1 front. For wear times. To 3. 4. Facial, repeat facial. For wear. And facial. Edge at the end of a wear loop. Here's to turn knitting. Now watch. Remove loop 1 wear. For face times 2. 3, 4. In the center we have to wear. For front to 3. For 1 wear. When replaying we will also have to wear. So repeat to the last edge wear loop. Turn the 16th row. Remove loop 1 facial. For wear to 3. 4. 1 front, repeat front. For wear to 3, 4. Edge wear loop. That is also to facial here in a row in the center. 18th rows also remove loop wear for faced. To wear. For faced. Wear edge at the end of wear loop. On the inside, remove the loop facial. For wear. To facial. For wear. Front edge wear loop. Turn knitting. Means next. That's it, that is. Our handkerchief knit now around the edges. It means if the handkerchief pattern was 6 loops. Means to remove the loop. To 3, 4. 5. Then to wear. Times to 3, 4. 5 means the last 12 loops. That is, here we have. To wear 5 here. Here's 5. So 5 to wear 5. Again 5 to wear 5. it turns out. Turn the edge with a wear loop. Knitting 20th row on the inside first loop remove. KNIT3 facial. To 3 to wear. To facial. To wear. And 3 facial. Times 2. That is, you see the first 3 and the last ones with a handkerchief pattern in a row. Turn the edge with a wear loop. Knitting well. 21st row, remove loop. 5 facet timing times 2. 3, 4, 5 to wear. 5 facial. 3, 4. Edge wear loop. Turn. 22nd row, remove loop 3 front. To wear. To facial. To wear. 3 facial. Repeat to the last. So 23rd row. Knit 1 O. 5 front first. Then to wear. And then 5 more facial. 3, 4, and 5. Turn the edge with a wear loop. Knitting and 24th row on the inside out. Knit now 3 faced. To wear. To facial. To wear. And 3 facial repeat to the last. Edge wear loop. So turn. Now watch. On here this rubber band sew. Like here we knitted. So here otherwise the pattern will not be beautiful. Which we had by drawing. Well, our 19th. Yes, first loop shoot. We knit facial 5 loops. Times to 3, 4. Then to wear. 5 facial times to 3, 4. 5. The drawing report we start not from first. First here extra turns out a row. Not to knock down this beauty. Beautiful rubber band themes. But then we repeat from the 2nd to the 25th rows. 2nd row we had on the wrong side. 1 front for wear. 1 front repeat front for wear. Facial sew until the last loop. Edge wear loop. I will say again. They mean this is how the pattern is performed. Here I steamed it off. He will lose well. That is, with an iron ulene and just slightly steam on top. Loops are leveled. So you do. BTO and 4 beanies and 4 vests and for everything. Everyone, thank you so much. Everyone before new meetings.